Assalamu alaikum. Morning. How are you? Okay, today our topic is Unit 10, straight line and quadratic equation. Now, today we'll learn exercise 10.3, factorize each of the following. Now we take first question, x square minus 36. How we solve this? First, what we will do here, first we put here x square and 36. So what we will do, we know that 36 is the square of 6. So next we know this x square minus 6 square. When you know this, you must know one formula. The formula is whenever you see a square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b and a minus b. That I show you later on. Now one more thing here should be, as it is same. Question number 2. Here he said that 36 square minus 35 square without using calculator. So we can solve this. 36 square. So if here is square minus 35 squares mean, as I told you here, that if you have any equation like that, so you must know one thing that is so important. You must remember this formula. It's so important formula and it's used everywhere. Now you can see this formula we're using here as it is same. Now at the end here what we will do, 36 minus 35 1, 36 plus 35 71, 71 multiplied by 1 71. So you can check this answer on your book as well. Now the last question of this exercise should be, as it is same we are doing, I just do first time plus and second time minus. When I minus this I get half. When I plus this, okay, because here is 3 by 4 and here is 1 by 4. When I add, it's equal to 1. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. So here is 12. 12, half of 12 is 6. So here's your answer. Now, as it is same, we are solving 10.12. Question number 1, part A. Here is your question. So this also have x, this also have x. So what we'll do, we just take a common. So this will have 2x, this will have 1x. So we take 1x common. So what is left? X minus 9. So here's your answer. Now, as it is same, we are solving G part. So what will we do now here? X square minus plus 3x plus 2. Means first thing that we need to do should be that we check that this number multiplied by this equal to what? Like 2 multiplied by 1, here is nothing, it's mean 1. That is equal to 2. Okay, so you can write any number here. Okay, like I'm doing this 2 multiplied by 1, I write the same number here. So whenever I multiply I get this answer, or whenever I add or subtract, okay, then I get this answer. Now here what I do, I know that 2 multiplied by x, 1x equal to 2x. So here I am doing the same thing. So here 2, I am writing here 2x plus 1x. So whenever I add this number, it's equal to 3x. Now what I do, I just check which things are common here in these two cases. So only x is common in these two cases, same like this. So I'm just taking common x. So what is left? X plus 2 plus, now here I'm taking what? Plus 1, because this will also have 1. So if 2 multiplied by 1 is also 2. So as it is same, I just take one common and x plus 2 is left. So remember this thing, that is most important thing, that this thing that you take common here and this thing, anything that you take common must be same. If your sign or anything is different, so it means you are wrong, you are doing something wrong. So my answer is x plus 1 and x plus 2. Now few more question of the few more part of the same question I'm solving. Yeah, now let's start n part. P square plus 8p minus 84. First thing, which number I multiply? 84 multiplied by 81 is equal to 84. So which two number when you multiply, so you get 84. But whenever you are add or minus, you will get 8. So I'm just checking. Whenever I check from start from two table, then I will find the number that 6 multiplied by 40, that will have 84. So whenever I subtract these numbers, so I will get 8. But here is positive, so I just put here plus and here minus, because bigger number have plus. If here is minus, so here I put minus and here I put plus. Now what I do here, here this will have p is common, so p plus 14, and here is 6 common, minus 6 common, so p plus 14 here. Look at here, these two things are same. Now these two things I put it here, because I just take common, again I just take common, p plus 14, so what is left, p minus 6 is left here. So as it is same, we are doing this question. It's so easy, not difficult. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.